You like your crane? Yeah? You like it? Yeah? Let's see what happens when you turn it. Wow, it's got wheels so we can drive it. Wow.
So he had 332 points.
Oh wow.
Buddy?
He's waiting for his crane.
Check this out, dude. And look, I got some other goodies in here for you too.
Let me get in the bathroom.
You want to take a picture with me by your crane here?
Oh, you made that one?
All right.
Awesome.
Here, Jamie, ready?
Don't touch it, Jojo. Oh, look, he made that.
We're gonna take a picture with you, all right?
Don't touch it.
Look at the camera, Jaden. Say cheese. Gotta take videos here.
1, 2, 3, come on and follow me.
Thank you,